Marvel Refrigerator Model MP24RDS3NS Troubleshooting. Marvel Professional Series 24-inch built-in counter-depth drawer refrigerator with 5 cubic feet capacity, with door lock, automatic defrost, Energy Star certified, dynamic cooling technology, Marvel. Troubleshooting. Odor in cabinet. 1. Interior needs cleaning. Noisy operation. 1. Cabinet not level. 2. Weak floor. Cabinet vibrates. 1. Cabinet not level. 2. Weak floor. Cabinet light not working. 1. Tube burned out. 2. No power at outlet. Appliance will not run. 1. On-off button pressed. 2. Power cord not plugged in. 3. No power at electrical outlet. 4. House fuse blown. Appliance runs too long. 1. Prolonged door openings. 2. Control set too cold. 3. Condenser needs cleaning. Moisture collects inside. 1. Too many door openings. 2. Prolonged door openings. 3. Hot, humid weather increases condensation. 4. Control improperly set. Moisture collects on outside surface. 1. Hot, humid weather increases condensation. As humidity decreases, moisture will disappear. 2. Control improperly set. Interior too hot too cold. 1. Control improperly set.